Welcome to HIIT and Salsa Splash. This 50-minute pool workout combines high-intensity interval training with steady-state cardio for optimal fitness results. We start with 4 5-minute intervals based on the Australian protocol of 8 seconds work and 12 seconds recovery. Go for 8 seconds. Go, go, go. Up and down. Use the arms, use the legs. Okay, and we're getting ready now for our 12-second recovery. Knee lift, kick forward and cross over and go back and big kicks. Recovery now and recovery. So in these 5 minutes, we're going to be doing quite a few of these. We're doing 15 cycles. So get ready for your 8-second high intensity. Go, 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 go. So you can see I'm huffing and puffing here. So I'm working hard. And supposedly, according to Dr. Len Kravitz, this protocol, which is called the Australian protocol, will help me burn fat, which is nice. High intensity. And kick out to the side. This is another alternative that you can do. But now when you're going into the high intensity, you're back on the floor with the jacks. High intensity, I think she's getting a little tired. Okay, she's huffing and puffing. Okay, high intensity. And 3, 2, 8 seconds up. We're about to 12 seconds for our recovery. Each one of these cycles is 20 seconds, so you've got 3 of them in a minute. Following our 20 minutes of high-intensity interval training, we will now dance our way into 20 minutes of steady-state cardio for optimal fat-burning results. Go, and 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Other side. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. I'm turning. 1, 2, hey, and front, and hip circles. Oh yeah, move, mobility. Okay, so now doing merengue to the side. Okay, we prepared on one leg, now we're gonna try it on the other leg. Okay, and front, together, back, together. Front, together, back, together. Okay, and 4, 3, one more time, and front, side, back, oh yeah, cha-cha-cha. Do neat things with your arms. Play with this is fun. Oh yeah. Twist. Oh, crossover. Ow! 2, this side. Ow! Okay, oh, get ready for that leg. Oh yes. Oh. Some people who have seen me do this may recognize this as one of my signature moves. I hope you've had fun with Salsa Splash. We did some merengue, salsa, cumbia, and mambo. Salsa Splash moves are fun to insert in any cardio workout. Get ready to heat up the pool and get caliente with HIIT and Salsa Splash.